Summit Carbon Solutions is suing an eastern Iowa community over some local ordinances that the company says go against federal and state regulations. KWWL's Emily Moss is in Bremer County with this latest legal battle.
It's no question that this project has been controversial. Signs like the one behind me are up in Butler, Bremer, and Fayette counties. In the last week, Summit filed a lawsuit against Bremer County for having ordinances in place that they say are standing in their way.
We're not saying we don't want the pipeline. We're just saying we want it to be in a location that still allows growth of our community.
Summit Carbon Solutions is suing Bremer County over ordinances passed by the County Board of Supervisors this year. The rules look to regulate where the pipeline is located and set protocols if an emergency were to happen in the future. Board of Supervisors Chair Corey Serwinski is a defendant in the case.
I think we've been one of the counties that's been more bold than some counties in this battle for land rights that's come up through this carbon pipeline project.
Two similar suits have been filed against Story and Shelby counties. A federal judge last year ruled in favor of Summit. CEO Lee Blank says that the ruling should hold precedent in this case.
That the state really designates the routing on the pipeline and that the federal government really has jurisdiction over safety. We certainly want to work with them, but ultimately sometimes it has to become more administrative, and that's really what's happened in Bremer.
But Serwinski says these rulings don't apply to their concern of growing communities in the county.
Throwing that context of safety out there directly as it relates to the pipeline operation, not to with respect to zoning long term.
As Summit looks to begin phase 2 of the project in complete agreements with landowners in Bremer County and beyond, Serwinski believes this lawsuit could impact that process.
Unfortunately, I mean, they're choosing to take to the legal system, which in turn costs the taxpayers that they're trying to sign easements with more money.
While Blank says they are just trying to follow the law.
And ultimately, we would just hope to, again, stay on the right side of the law and do what's within our rights and keep moving the project forward.
The Iowa Utilities Commission approved Summit's permit to build back in June, but they said that Summit had to get permits from North and South Dakota before construction could begin. The project is expected to span about 600 miles in the state. In Bremer County, Emily Moss, News 7 KWWL.